Hey everyone, it's here. I'm officially launching my free 5-day gentle yoga guide. I wanted to share day one with you so you can experience what the guide is all about. So get ready to relax and unwind with some grounding and breathing. Roll out your mat or your blanket, get comfortable and be free. Let's get started. Hi, this is Shirkendra. Welcome to day one, ground and breathe. Sit comfortably on your mat or a cushion. You may have your hands rested on your knees or one placed over your heart and one over your belly, whichever is more comfortable for you. Let's take 4 deep breaths in. Close your eyes. Deep breath in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Exhale, release. Continue to breathe in and out through your nose. As your eyes are closed, think of that happy place that brings you joy, brings you laughter, just makes you light up inside. Maybe it's a family member, a friend. Maybe it's your favorite vacation. Or maybe a thought that brings a smile to your face. Our affirmation for today is, I begin exactly as I am. Couple more breaths in and out. Let your eyes open. We'll start gentle neck rolls from side to side. Gently drop your head. Gently roll from side to side. Gentle movements. Make sure to keep your spine nice and tall. Be mindful in breathing. Four more times. Good. Gently roll your head back up to center. Shoulder rolls going back. Shoulder rolls are also great for loosening up our torso and also our spine. Good. Let's come forward. Good. And relax. Practice anytime during the day. Mindful tip that I use, I like to use a tea light candle to set the mood and set the tone for the day or for my morning, or if I'm taking a break. You may also start off doing deep breaths just to relax and calm the body. Great job. You got started for your day focusing on you and on your wellness. I will see you tomorrow for day 2, Wake Up Your Spine. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye. I hope you enjoyed day 1 of the Gentle Yoga Guide. You can download the full guide for free in the link below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more gentle yoga and wellness support. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.